Imagine stepping onto a floating mansion worth $7.6 million. The kind of yacht that makes you forget whether you're at sea or inside a five-star hotel. This isn't just a boat. It's the Sunseeker 90 Ocean, a true masterpiece of engineering, luxury, and pure power. Today, we're diving into what makes this yacht not just expensive, but unforgettable. At first glance, it doesn't scream for attention. It commands it. The sleek lines, the glossy hull, and that signature Sunseeker silhouette make it look fast even when it's standing still. But the real magic begins the moment you step on board. The 90 Ocean is all about space, and not just any space. It offers up to 20% more interior volume than previous Sunseeker models of a similar size. That's not a small upgrade. It's like taking a high-end apartment and putting it on water. The aft deck, or as some like to call it, the beach club, is where the wow factor hits first. It's wide, low to the water, and feels like your own private ocean lounge. You've got fold-down balconies on both sides, turning the back of the yacht into a floating terrace. It's the perfect place for sunbathing, diving into crystal blue waters, or just sipping a drink as the waves roll by. There's even a built-in hydraulic platform that drops into the sea, making it easy to launch jet skis, a tender, or even a sea pool setup. And yes, there's storage for all your toys, from paddleboards to diving gear. Because let's be honest, what's a $7.6 million yacht without a few toys to play with? Move up a few steps and you enter the main salon. The moment those sliding glass doors open, it feels like walking into a modern penthouse. The layout is wide and open, filled with natural light pouring through massive windows that stretch nearly floor to ceiling. Everything is designed for comfort and luxury, from the hand-stitched leather sofas to the oak or walnut finishes. The color palette is soft and sophisticated, blending creams, grays, and metallic accents that create that clean, contemporary vibe. What's truly impressive is how it feels both cozy and spacious at the same time. You can host a formal dinner with friends at the elegant dining table or relax on the sofa while watching the sunset through panoramic glass. Every inch of the 90 Ocean feels intentional, carefully crafted to make you forget you're even floating. The galley, or kitchen for those not fluent in yacht speak, is equally impressive. It's fully equipped with high-end appliances, marble countertops, and storage that would make even a land-based chef jealous. Whether you've got a private chef or you're just heating up leftovers, the Sunseeker keeps everything stylish. Now, let's talk about the cabins. This yacht can comfortably sleep up to 10 guests in 4 or 5 cabins, depending on the layout you choose. The full-beam master suite is pure indulgence. It sits right in the middle of the yacht, where the motion is calmest, giving you that perfect blend of luxury and stability. Huge windows line both sides, offering ocean views straight from your bed. Imagine waking up to sunlight reflecting off the water. No alarm clock needed. The master bathroom continues the story of opulence. Dual sinks, a rainfall shower, and elegant stone finishes make it feel like a spa at sea. Even the guest cabins are beautifully done, with private bathrooms, plush bedding, and space that feels more like a boutique hotel than a boat. Heading up to the flybridge. This is where the Sunseeker 90 Ocean turns into the ultimate entertainment zone. There's a bar, a dining area, and room for sun loungers or even a hot tub. It's perfect for hosting sunset parties, romantic dinners, or lazy afternoon naps under the sun. With optional hardtops and mood lighting, it transforms effortlessly from day to night, from chill vibes to pure elegance. The helm station is a work of art in itself. Dual touchscreen displays, joystick controls, and advanced navigation systems make piloting this yacht almost as smooth as driving a luxury car. And for a yacht that stretches nearly 90 feet, it handles surprisingly well. With twin-man V12 engines pushing out over 1,900 horsepower each, it can cruise comfortably at around 24 knots. That's roughly 28 miles per hour. For something this massive, that's seriously impressive. Sunseeker also made sure this beauty is as efficient as it is powerful. The hull design reduces drag, meaning better fuel economy and smoother sailing, even in rougher seas. You can travel long distances without constantly stopping to refuel, making it perfect for extended ocean adventures. What's really special about the 90 Ocean isn't just its performance or looks. It's how it blends freedom and comfort. You can explore the Mediterranean, hop between Caribbean islands, or anchor off a quiet cove and still feel like you're living in luxury. It's not just a yacht. It's a lifestyle statement, a message that says you've made it, and now you're enjoying the view. But what's perhaps most appealing is how Sunseeker designed this yacht for both owners and guests. Whether you prefer to captain it yourself or have a full crew on board, it's built to handle both scenarios. There's separate crew accommodation, discrete access points, and smart layouts that keep privacy intact while maintaining convenience. Everywhere you look, the details are mind-blowing. Stainless steel fixtures, ambient lighting that sets the mood, climate control systems that adjust automatically, and entertainment systems hidden seamlessly into the design. The Sunseeker 90 Ocean isn't just about travel. It's about how travel feels. Think of it like this. Some yachts are built to impress others. The 90 Ocean is built to impress you. It's about peace, presence, and the kind of quiet luxury that speaks without shouting. You don't need gold or glitz when everything around you is already perfection. And that's what makes this $7.6 million yacht worth every penny. It's not just a machine, and it's a sanctuary. A moving piece of art designed for people who want to experience the world differently. From the whisper of the waves against the hull to the comfort of a soft-lit dinner on deck, it's pure, unmatched serenity. So the next time you see a Sunseeker 90 Ocean gliding across the horizon, just remember it's more than a yacht. It's someone's dream, floating right in front of you. If you enjoyed this tour and want more deep dives into the world of luxury yachts, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below and tell us, if you had the keys to this $7.6 million beauty, where would you sail first? And of course, share this video with someone who loves the ocean as much as you do, because dreams like this, they're meant to be shared.